welcome to Anita Life. My name is Anita Norris. I've got a good one for you today. All right, let's start with some trivial facts about Anita time. Did you know I raised my kids without the benefit of health insurance? So I had to get good at learning what required medical intervention and what didn't. Now, there were a couple of times we needed more than I could do at home, and of course, what I could handle at home. So today, I'm going to help you discover how our family significantly reduced our medical costs and reliance on conventional medicines by using essential oils for the common cold, for prevention, and a little bit more. In this video, I share our personal journey with essential oils like Breathe, OnGuard, Frankincense, Peppermint, Lemon, Lavender, Tea Tree, and even digestive, and show how we've used them topically, internally, and aromatically to support our bodies through these colds or some digestive issues and even some seasonal threats. You can learn the simple yet effective methods we adopted, such as applying oils down the spine and on the bottoms of our feet to bolster our health and build a stronger gut microbiome. Now, whether you're new to essential oils or looking to expand your knowledge on using them for health and wellness, this video will provide you with some practical tips and insights from our family's experience. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about the basics of essential oils, like Essential Oils 101. So this is a quick dive into the basics of essential oils. What are essential oils? Well, okay, essential oils are concentrated liquids containing volatile aromatic compounds extracted from plants. The essence of the plant is captured through either distillation or expression, and it's what gives the essential oils their characteristic scent and flavor. Now, these powerful natural extracts can play a significant role in our health and wellness, offering benefits ranging from immune support to relief from common ailments like the common cold. So today, we'll focus on how specific essential oils, 8 of the top 10 in fact, including Breathe, OnGuard, Frankincense, Peppermint, Lemon, Lavender, Tea Tree, and digestive, have become integral to my family's health routine. Now, I realize that seems like a lot of oils, so, maybe I'm overstepping on saying how that can be less expensive, but I do promise that I'll get to that. Each of these oils offers unique benefits, from boosting our immune system to providing relief from the cold symptoms and supporting our digestive health. That's important. Essential oils are incredibly versatile, allowing us to use them in various ways. We can use them topically, we can use them internally, and of course, aromatically to support our health and well-being. Whether you're looking to prevent colds or manage symptoms or simply enhance your overall health, essential oils can offer some natural, effective solutions. Now, in our household, OnGuard and Frankincense have really been our go-to oils for bolstering our immune system. We use these oils topically, aromatically, and yes, even internally. Topically, when one of us is feeling run down, we'll apply a few drops with a carrier oil to the spine and to the bottoms of our feet. Aromatically, we can use a diffuser to get the oils throughout the house for everyone to breathe and get the benefits from. And because we trust the purity of dōTERRA essential oils, we will put maybe 1 or 2 drops of each of those oils under our tongue for added support to our immune system. It's been a game changer. Now, if the cold does come on and seems more upper respiratory involved, then we'll add Breathe to the diffuser, especially at night. This one becomes our best friend to help keep the airways open during sleep and can provide much needed relief from that congestion and coughing. What a game changer for getting actual rest during our sleepy time. Now, did you know your immune system actually resides in your gut? I've talked about this before, but scientists have been working hard to learn how to build gut health and therefore immune health. dōTERRA's DigestZen has been a lifesaver for us for digestive issues. Now, I do have a story of warning about this powerful product. When my kids were young, this was the only product dōTERRA really had for tummy issues, and dilution was very important. Not because of dangers necessarily to the skin, although that certainly is a possibility, but because the oils are so powerful, and things will move, and they will move quickly. Now, here's our side story. Stay with me on this one. One time while traveling, my son had some tummy discomfort that showed up big, meaning he woke me up in the middle of the night and said that his tummy hurt. And when I went to help him, I could see that this was a true statement. His gut was so very distended. He looked like he was 9 months pregnant. I felt so bad for the poor guy. So I rubbed a couple drops of DigestZen on his tummy in a clockwise motion. And yes, I'm pretty sure I used a carrier oil. He kind of found a little bit of comfort, found a position, and then fell asleep. Now, I am a wise mom, and tummy troubles often come with puking, so I brought a big bowl to this midnight meetup, hoping for it to not have to be used. But about 3 minutes later, after I had gotten back in bed, I heard the yakking. And he filled that bowl at least 3 times in 15 minutes, and then was comfortable enough to sleep the rest of the night. Now, I didn't really have that pleasure, but that's okay. It's a mom's job. So, that's our story. Things move quickly, and he got pretty, not instant, but quick relief with the DigestZen. Now, a healthy gut contributes to a stronger immune system, helping us fight off colds more effectively. Now, I promised I would talk about how using these 8 oils that are less expensive than regular doctor visits for the common cold. First, I didn't have to drive anywhere, and my time was valuable, and it still is. Second, I didn't have to pay any copays, which frankly are a lot more expensive now than when I was with littles. Next, I wasn't running to the pharmacy to pick up whatever prescription. Again, time and copay expenses. And finally, I was able to purchase my top 10 oils for such a great deal that the payment equivalents of what would have been their first doctor visits were covered with their first cold. And I used the equivalent of the Home Essentials kit. So I got the top 10 oils in the 15 ml bottles, which have about 250 drops per bottle. So doing the math, that really does come out to less than 30 cents each. Okay, 30 cents per drop. Now, see, this is where it is challenging because, of course, if I'm using frankincense versus lemon, well, the frankincense is frankly more expensive. But so I just kind of rounded those numbers to each drop would be less than 30 cents. And maybe I would use up to 5 drops of 2 or 3 oils a day, depending on what the ailment was and what we needed. So that would be about $3 a day for maybe 5 days, and that's $15. This is all just rounding, of course. And it would depend on which oils we used, how often we're giving the oils. But still, even in an extreme case, I was still using less than going to the doctor. Plus, we wouldn't have to do the recovery from the antibiotics they likely would have given just in case. And And that's a big deal to me. Okay, because sometimes using medication, they have side effects. And one of the side effects of antibiotics is it kills off good bacteria as well. So then you have to recover from using the antibiotics to grow the gut health back up, the bacteria in the gut that is beneficial. And all of that takes time. And using essential oils, we just don't have that sort of dilemma. Now, while today's focus has been on common cold prevention and relief with essential oils, like lavender and tea tree, which have also supported us, because little kids get bumps and bruises, and even the seasonal threats that come in the spring and the fall. Now, one thing I do want to remind you is safety first. Dilute, dilute, dilute. A little goes a long way. One drop is really all that's needed. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use essential oils, the top 10 essential oils, check the description for a link to my free download. Also, if you're thinking, hey, I'm new to essential oils, but I like the idea and I'm ready to get started, I have bonuses abounding. So use the link provided in the description to get your home essentials kit. And you also get free Citrus Bliss and Lavender Touch, as well as being able to choose one of 3 other choices, absolutely free from dōTERRA. And remember to like and subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. Remember, these oils have changed my life and helped me have control of my health and helped me with the health of my family, as well as my finances. And if that's something you're wanting for your life, join me today to be able to take advantage of the gifts given by dōTERRA. These are truly gifts of the earth. Thanks for joining me today. Reach out. I'm here to help. And until next time, see ya.